This is a 2006 SCION XB. This hatchback has an automatic transmission and an inline 4-cylinder engine. Features include a premium audio system, traction control and stability control systems, full power accessories, a CD player, an independent rear suspension, a passenger side vanity mirror, privacy glass, an anti-lock braking system, air conditioning, and an auxiliary power outlet. Please call us today for more information on this great vehicle.
Columbine Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 2728 Railroad Avenue in Rifle.